love you. Oh my god, she started crying. Stop laughing, you still have 4 seconds. যে তোকে এতটাই ঝাল লাগছে?
Snoop Dogg. You know what I'm with the
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Srijita and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So quarantine has been just so very boring all this while, and so we thought of making it a little more hatke, and hence I have two of my very special guests with me today, my best friends, and they are...
Hi, I'm Madhurima.
Hello, I'm Asmita.
Okay, so we have been friends, like I and Madhurima have been friends since class KG, and it's been like 16 years now. And I have known Asmita for like since class 11, and after all this while we have been termed the trio of our school, and Asmita has named us as the Powerpuff Girls.
It's actually a very perfect name. We have a picture together. We were in
Do we have it still now?
Yeah, we
I
have it.
think.
I'll put it up somewhere in
We
this
had
video.
3 different houses and we actually looked like Powerpuff Girls. So,
2 braids.
yeah.
Okay, so today we're gonna take up certain challenges, and as you can see, we have got some chits here in this bowl, and I would like Asmita to explain this entire game planning. So
Okay.
take it over.
So we have 2 rounds, and in the first round we'll have 2 individual tasks each for the 3 of us, and in the second round we'll have 4 group tasks, and if we fail to do the tasks we have to have some punishment, and that will be explained by Madhurima.
The most exciting part. So for the punishments we have very tasty green tea, very strongly prepared without any honey or sugar in it.
Yeah.
And then we have tastier Karelika juice.
But it looks like ampana, but it's not.
How excited are we
Absolutely
guys
not.
to have
Very
it?
excited.
Excited, yeah.
And then we have
A bit of tikha cheese. Yeah. Mirchi. Chilies.
after something bitter we
Yeah,
ought to
meetha.
have something.
Meetha.
Where is
Yeah,
Meetha?
this is first
That's
chili tikha, then something meetha but
But
dipped
with
in
a
soy
twist.
sauce with something hatke. So how excited are we?
Too excited.
All the
Because I want to see you
Mates.
lose and suffer all the punishment.
No,
Ultimately.
all the best guys.
Okay, so shall we start off with our first
Yeah,
game?
sure.
But how will we decide who goes
Let's
first?
start it off with some game like stone, paper, scissors.
Yeah,
Who
sure.
decided off?
Okay.
Okay, so stone, paper, scissors.
Oh.
Stone, paper, scissors.
Okay,
Okay,
we
so
lose.
we need to play it once
Okay.
more. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Please starting it off.
See,
Um,
who's gonna lose?
Okay, so shall we start?
Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
Let's go. Okay, fine. I'm very nervous right now. I can't even explain.
Nervous to lose.
Yeah, I don't want to taste any of
read
that.
out.
Get search results showing Donald Trump without using the words Donald Trump, President and USA. And all that in 10 seconds. Seriously?
Okay, so she needs to search for Donald Trump without using the words Donald Trump, President, and US. Okay.
Nice.
So I'm excited. So
Okay.
start it off. So you have
Fine.
10 seconds, and do we have a timer?
I have a...
You have, right? Time starts now.
Okay, fine. Orange man with golden hair. Come on. Let me see image results. It will be the same, okay?
Okay.
Time's up.
No, we didn't get
Okay,
any
fine.
Donald Trump in the search results.
What
so
was that search?
You lose.
Orange man with golden hair.
She lost, so she needs to take one of these shots. Which shot
Would you prefer first?
I think...
We'll
Why would
choose that.
she
Yeah,
choose?
we'll
Yeah,
choose that.
we'll choose that for her.
Which one do you think?
Karela ka juice.
Karela ka juice?
Acha,
Let
green
the
tea.
best be saved for the later.
Yeah. So let's have some green tea ka shots. I'll prepare it for you.
I absolutely hate green tea even
Now
when it has
I'm the
sugar in it.
bartender now, and I'm preparing you.
Oh my god.
Very messy, very clumsy, but it's okay.
Okay. Ciao,
Enough.
ciao.
Okay, fine.
Oh my god.
I
Okay.
hate green tea even when it has sugar
So
in
the
it.
first shot goes in.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. So bitter. It's actually so bitter and I'm not even pretending. Oh my god.
You don't have to pretend we get it.
Yeah. तुम्हारा भी टाइम आने वाला है.
Ew.
अपना भी टाइम आएगा. Anyway, so we are done with the first chit, and now who's gonna pick it up?
You should do stone paper scissors among yourselves.
Okay.
I think.
Okay. Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors.
Okay. So Srijita.
Am I a pro in this game?
Really? अच्छा. So shall I?
Yeah.
What's in it? Let's see.
Tie your braid in 10 seconds. You know I can't.
But you have to.
All my school life has like.
I tied braids for her.
Okay. So shall I start?
No, wait.
Okay. Madhu, keep the time. 3.
Your time starts now.
It's so messy.
It's going. Time's running.
This is impossible.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I
What
can't.
is this?
Just turn around and let them see what you have done. I don't know what this is.
What is tie a braid?
This is not even a braid.
डी तो दूर की बात है.
The bartender now. Don't spill like she
Hopefully.
did. See, now we know she actually works with chemicals.
Yeah, she is a would-be pharmacist, not pharmacist. So
That's
shall
a
I?
little inside joke.
Okay.
Okay.
Shall
3,
I?
2,
Start.
1, go.
Oh!
Still better.
Yeah, she had.
Actually, I'm used to having green tea.
I'm
I'm
not.
not.
Still, it's okay.
Same thing.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Next is me.
it's your turn now.
All the best.
I hope I can do this.
I hope you don't.
It's a long thing,
Answer the following riddle in 10 seconds.
so we should read it out for you, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys will
Okay.
watch.
Just check the time.
Wait.
Okay. Katie's father has 4 daughters. 3 of them are named North, South, and East. What is the name of the 4th daughter?
Your time starts now.
West.
What?
What is the answer actually?
Are you guys stupid?
I don't know what's the answer.
Katie! Katie!
Yeah.
Katie, sorry.
Okay.
She won.
That was
No,
not promise.
no, she can't.
I won.
She did. She completed it under 10 seconds.
Your turn again. So this is the second round where we'll be having Karela shots. Oh what?
Karela
I don't know.
shots.
Okay, Karela
Karela
shots.
shots.
I'll take mine. I hope it's something easy. Okay, now I'll pick this.
Let's see. Ready for Karela shots?
I'm not losing. Whatever it takes.
Chew a lemon without changing your expression. It's easy.
Easy?
Is it?
Wouldn't have been for
Like-
me.
Is it?
Like,
Okay.
Okay.
Your time starts now. She's enjoying.
Time's up. No, she lost. She lost. She lost. She lost.
Oh my god.
She lost. She has to have this Karela shot.
I just
Oh my
throw it
God.
away.
Which one was hers?
Yeah, this one.
She's enjoying making me
Spill it
suffer.
over your dress.
Okay, it's done.
Oh my god.
Tasty, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm going to die.
How is it?
Shit. Okay, madam. The next turn is yours. All the best. I mean, all the worst. I hope you lose.
Okay.
I'm not going to be the only one who tastes
What
that
a
shit.
friend.
Fine. I love you both.
All the best.
तुम्हारा भी टाइम आएगा, okay?
I said all the best.
अच्छा. Turn.
I thought of taking that.
Say the following tongue twister 5 times in 10 seconds with ice in your mouth. Babla gache bag bosheche. Okay,
It's
so
a
this
Bengali
is
tongue
something
twister.
Bengali, okay.
Yeah.
Babla gache bag bosheche.
Since we are bongs, we
So-
have to honor our culture. which we
Where's the
love.
ice?
Yeah, Ashmita.
I'll get
Can
the
we have
ice
it?
and
Okay,
we
sure.
back up you.
So
With
here
the
we are
ice.
back with the ice.
Yeah.
How many do you want, miss?
1, definitely. I
No,
want
no, no. I think 2 will be better.
No!
It won't fit in our mouth.
Yeah.
Chota sa muh hai.
I'll just compromise.
This one.
Shut up.
No, no, no. Give the big one. If she's getting 1, she's going to get the biggest piece.
So okay, so 10 seconds timer. Take it in it.
Okay, wait. I'll just start the timer.
When you start, okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Stop laughing. You still have 4 seconds. You lose. We have completed 10 seconds. It's 11:41. So.
Congratulations, go.
So I'm not going to be the only one.
Go. Improvise in our own way.
Okay, fine.
I can't see myself having
Keep
that.
some for yourself too. Yeah. Three,
Sri
two,
Jita.
one.
Sri Jita.
Go, 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 go,
Sri
go,
Jita.
go.
Go, Shrita, go. Go,
Go,
Rai, go.
Go, Srijita. Srijita, go.
He's so damn enjoying this.
I hope you don't. I hope by the
I
end
hope
of
you
the
don't.
day you are crying.
Wear winged liner in 10 seconds.
Yeah, we'll see.
Both
We'll
eyes.
see. We will judge it whether it's actually a wing liner or not, and that too in 10 seconds, okay?
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. So can we have an eyeliner?
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
And stop. Stop.
It's not, no?
It's not. The wing should have been a bit longer.
The wing longer, shorter.
Ravina.
This is not happening. She has to have it. She has to have it.
She has to have करेगा नहीं.
It's a cheating.
Yeah, it's not cheating.
There's no cheating in games. We are very honest people.
Chalo.
We are playing honestly.
Ito আমাকে ফাঁসানো হলো।
You need
It's a wing liner.
This is not.
It's a wing.
It should have been a little more prominent, na?
Yeah.
See this area. and that
Your
area.
wing looks paralyzed. So
I did not have the green tea last
You
time.
did
No.
not have it. वो तो कह
So much.
we have
Oh
gone
yeah, this
past.
is really so much. So
Oh,
just
But she did not have green tea.
Shut up.
It's okay, fine.
Oh, Baba.
Yeah, on it.
That is like
So considerate of you.
that
She
is
should
like
not have-
taking out.
Please,
Mama,
judge.
chalo.
Don't waste your time.
Chalo. 1, 2, 3,
Go.
go. Go, Madhurima, go. Go, Madhu, go. Go, Madhu, have it.
Isn't it fun? I'm so proud of you. Please don't go to the camera and smile. Just tell me about the camera. Close your eyes and look at the camera once. It's so fun. Right? Yeah, too funny.
Okay, so we are finally back with our second round, and in this round we all will be performing together. Like we have to perform the task together, and we will be having like around 4 tasks, right?
Yeah.
And what then?
Then the person who completes the task first wins, obviously, and the remaining 2 are not that lucky.
So only one winner.
Finishing the task correctly. Keep in mind that she has to finish the task correctly.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
she does, then well and good. And if not, she will face the punishment with the other two losers. Okay? So let's get
Why
started.
can't we have two winners?
No.
No, we can't. That's not
Okay,
how.
so who's gonna pick up the first chick?
It's your video, so you go ahead.
Okay. So should I take this? Name 3 Bollywood actors who have worked in Hollywood. So we need to write it down.
We have our pens and we have papers
We have
ready.
timer, right?
Okay.
Everything.
No, we don't need a timer actually because
Yeah,
the
because
person who
whoever
completes
completes
first.
So does the pen work? You know.
I don't know. If you're lucky enough, you'll get a pen that works.
Okay, so shall we start?
Okay.
I'll start
Let's-
it. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3.
We need full names, by the way. Okay.
I'm done. I'm done. No.
I'm done.
I said it first.
No.
I said it first.
Did you guys cheat? The secrets are same. Exactly. Like show them. Here's a friendship.
Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra.
Okay,
One,
since
one,
you
one.
guys finished almost together, I think you should do a stone paper scissors to see who loses.
But that
This
Because
is
I
so
have both of
unfair.
Huh.
This is so unfair.
Life is seldom fair. We can't do anything about that.
that.
Because I heard
Oh
the
my.
two of you say together on this.
Yeah.
That's it. Take it.
Anyway, give me a chip.
Yeah. And this one too. We're done with this part. So let's decide. By the way, क्या खाना पड़ेगा?
Chill.
Green tea.
No! It's not going to be that.
It's green tea. Please. Chalo, okay. Like, I'm comfortable. Okay.
So you have already
No. Okay, chalo.
Stone, paper, scissors. Stone, paper, scissors. Yes. Okay. Green tea to पीना पड़ेगा ना? I told you. चलो, it's done. I'm through at this game.
Okay, if anybody is watching this piece, make sure she gets an award for winning at stone, paper, scissors. If there's an event in the Olympics
Yeah.
Games, please
Have it.
invite-
We'll have it together, huh?
Okay, fine.
We'll
Oh, two, right?
Yeah.
We'll move to the next round. Cheers. 2 more shots, please. 3, 2, 1.
Compared to the Karela, this is nothing.
fine. It's
My
far better.
body has
right
got
now.
used to this.
Okay. So this was fine.
Next.
So the second.
Second task, Manu pick
Yeah,
it.
Random.
Name 3 places starting with P. Can we get
Yeah,
that?
again.
Okay, start.
Yeah. Done. देखा?
What have you written? Public toilet? She has written. Confidently done. Pakistan toilet. Paris and public toilet. Public toilet is a place starting with P. Wow. Proud of you. Yeah, you deserve slow claps.
What places did you write, by the way?
By the way, who out of you all?
I said second.
Okay, fine. She wins.
Okay.
So she
Don't
gave me
have
a
that cheating,
practice cheating.
That makes me so much.
Oh my god.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Biscuit challenge. I don't know what that is. Can you
Okay,
explain?
so the biscuit challenge is that we 3 need to place a biscuit on top of our forehead and we have to.
Actually, make it come till I'm not. How? From where do you come up with so weird idea? Biscuit will stick to our forehead because we are sweating like pigs. Yeah. So, could I explain you the game?
Yeah, I
But
got
where
it.
do you come up with such weird ideas? My goodness.
She has been surfing the web a lot lately.
Okay, so I have got Oreos for this challenge.
Fine. I got something good. Something good. আমাদের ঝালটা at least যাবে.
Can I have one?
Chocolate Oreos. I didn't notice this.
I really like the vanilla
भगवान
ones
हमारे
better.
साथ है.
Yeah, I too.
Okay.
I didn't practice this at home. Good. I don't trust you. I swear. 3, 2, 1, go. Nurse. Hello. Can I start it again? Okay. It came to my mouth. It's not coming! I won! Hi, Ram. Shall I start it again? Okay, let's twist the rules. The winner has to have the punishment.
Because we have suffered a lot.
Yeah, we have suffered. You don't have to.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's have it.
We make the rules, okay? You lose. I mean, you
But
win.
they successfully completed the challenge, guys. They're doing unfair things with me.
Whatever. We love you so much. No, I want chili.
Chili.
I don't have to.
No.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है.
No, no, no. We
Let's
will
start
no, no, no. We won't.
But I need an Oreo after that.
Okay, fine.
Wait, do you need to have this?
Mm-hmm.
Do I?
You do.
You can't follow it. You have to cue it. Let the world see your face. Thanks. We love you. You can have it. Oh my god, she's not crying.
Okay, so we come to the final task of the day.
I'll pick it up.
Yep. I'm still sweating from the heat of the chilies.
Bollywood hook step challenge. What's that?
Okay, so the thing is that we are 3, so each of us will do a hook step and the remaining 2 people have to identify it. I think we can go easy on the punishments in this one. I think.
Yeah, it's easy.
The biscuit dipped in soy sauce.
Yeah. That is all what's left.
Yeah, that is actually what's left. So there's no going easy. We are going the simple.
Still feels so spice.
Yeah, exactly. Even I'm feeling that.
She's feeling hot.
Naughty girl. Okay.
Okay, chalo.
So who's go first? Since you're the dancer.
What's in your mind? Let's
First
read
one.
it.
3, 2, 1, go.
चिड़खनिया चिड़खनिया कभी उल्टी तो सीधी
I got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
So, Asmita?
Who's having it?
Fine.
Okay, chalo.
I'm a law-abiding citizen. Actually, we have the vinegar. I think we can do it.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Why are you people so unkind to me?
Okay, fine.
I'll just show you guys. It looks like chocolate biscuit.
It smells bizarre.
It smells like.
A person who is not bath, it's okay. It's okay. I don't want. Okay. How is it? I hope the biscuit's nice.
How's it?
Absolutely terrible. The fact that the biscuits have been in air and have become natano isn't really helping the fact anymore.
Okay.
It's making things worse actually.
Okay.
Okay, me. I हो किस हो तुम. So it's your turn. Madhu, pour the vinegar.
Nine.
Have it
Safi.
in a bite.
This is completely nine, Safi.
Have it in one bite. It tastes so good, na?
It actually
Finger
tastes
licking.
good. It actually tastes good.
She has weird taste. I can't trust her taste anymore.
Where does she come
It
from?
actually tastes good. Try it out at your home.
So, Srijita, it's your turn.
Yeah.
Easy dish. No one
Mm,
lose.
Set
I got it.
Singham. Singham.
Chammak Challo.
Yeah, this is chamak.
Singham is
Styrofoam.
naughty girl.
Who's having it?
Not me. She's thinking something. Oh, I am the naughty one.
I prepared it for you. We already have some here. No, there's some. Oh, she does not get any punishment. She's been getting off lightly the entire length of the cake. Oh my god. No, that's too much. It actually tastes good, trust me. It actually tastes good. No, because we love you and we exempted you from most of the punishments. Have it.
It tastes good.
Don't say you think it tastes good. You people are weird.
Hello.
She's in shock.
Good.
Bearable good.
Better than Karela juice. Everything is better than
Yeah,
Karela
definitely.
Better than, I had only chili and Karela, so it's better than that.
So, we're finally done with all the tasks now. But we do have another hook step challenge for you guys. If for you to identify, and if you get it right, just let us know in the comment section below and we'll get back to you.
juice. Okay.
Okay, so
3, 2, 1, start.
I'm doing the opposite of you guys. But anyway,
anyway,
you get the point.
yeah. So this was all about our today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if so, please do like, share and comment below, and of course let us know the name of the hook step or the name of the movie which we just enacted. And so I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. So stay healthy and be beautiful as always.
Bye.